ChatGPT. What even is ChatGPT? Now, you've been hearing all about it in the news and articles everywhere, but you aren't sure what it is. Well, you're in luck today. If you're new around here, my name is Rayyan Siddiqui. I work at Microsoft. Now, in this video, I won't be going over the technical details of ChatGPT, how it actually works, but I'll just be giving a general overview, how you can interact with it, what even is it at a high level, and what cool stuff can you do with it. Now, ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, this was created by a company called OpenAI. They do a lot of research on artificial intelligence and different types of artificial intelligence models. Now, ChatGPT at its core is essentially a chatbot on steroids. Now, ChatGPT is a natural language processing model that generates text based on your inputs. Now, it is trained to talk to you like a human being, how anyone would talk to you in day-to-day life, or perhaps even better in some cases. So that's enough talking. Let's move on to our computers and see how it actually works. So once you have a browser window open, all you need to do is type ChatGPT. And then, I've already opened this link, so those are already highlighted. So you need to open this, the first link that pops up, whether that's OpenAI website or this one, openai.com. You open that one and it'll go over ChatGPT. You can read more about it if you want, but for now, what we're interested in is actually trying out ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, when you open the website, so chat.openai.com, it requires you to log in. Now, this is absolutely free. You do not have to pay. Once you create an account, it will ask you for your phone number for verification and so on, but you do not need to pay. For now, at the time being, at least at the recording of this video, ChatGPT is free. Now, you need to log in. Now, I've already created an account, so I'll go ahead and log in. Otherwise, you guys who haven't used ChatGPT will need to sign up. So I'll click login. Now, once you open the website, once you log in, you'll see something like this. Now, this is where you interact with this chatbot on steroids called ChatGPT. This is where you type in your input. Now, here you can ask anything. You can ask it to create essays. You can ask it to create scripts. You have your own code that you want to optimize, anything. Like if you don't know, like you're programming, you run into an error, you don't know what that error means, just type it into ChatGPT. It'll tell you what it means. It knows everything. So for example, say you're a student and you want to create an essay. So let's pick a topic. I don't know. Let's do a Macbeth essay. So write an essay on Macbeth. We'll do the major themes of Macbeth. So write an essay on the major themes of Macbeth. So once you say that, it takes about, I think, like 2-3 seconds, and it will generate you a whole entire essay. Now, the great thing about ChatGPT, I will have another video on this as well, talking about how ChatGPT affects students, how it affects the academic world. So stay tuned for that as well, where I'll talk more about this in depth. But for now, this is just an overview. Now, with ChatGPT, the great thing about it, it's a generative model. So whatever you see on the screen is being generated. Now, for example, in the case of this essay most likely didn't exist on the internet before. It's been generated brand new. Now, with ChatGPT, we have our essay right here. Let's ask something else. I am recording a YouTube video soon. Let's say soon on ChatGPT. Can you write me a script for that? Let's ask that. And you can ask it to create YouTube scripts. You can ask it to create books, something that you can also start a possible business with, which I'll have another video on my channel. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that, on how you can start your own businesses using ChatGPT. So here we go. We wrote, write me a script for a video on ChatGPT. So it writes you a script that ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained on massive data set of human generated text, including books, articles, blah, 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 blah. How it works? Works by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the words that come before it. It uses a neural network, which is a type of machine learning algorithm that is modeled after the way the human brain works, etc., etc. I'll make another video talking about this in more detail. The application of ChatGPT, chatbots, content generation, language translation, code generation, code optimization, like you name it, this can do anything. Now, this is your playground to interact with ChatGPT. I'll give the link down to ChatGPT on how you can access it down below. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this. what do you think ChatGPT will affect, how maybe you will use it in your daily life. For example, one thing I can tell you guys, one thing I've been using ChatGPT for is for code optimizations. So if I'm working on a personal project, there's something that like can be made better, I just copy and paste that in, and I ask ChatGPT like, hey, like, can you optimize this? Like, give me better function names, like optimize this code, shrink this down, and so on. So let me know how you think you might be able to use it, what applications this may have, and let me know of what you thought of the video. I'll make another full detailed video on the technical part of ChatGPT, so make sure you stay tuned for that, among other. So I'm starting a new playlist as well on my channel just about ChatGPT, how you can start businesses with ChatGPT, how you can create content online with ChatGPT, create books with ChatGPT, and so on. So everything related to ChatGPT, I'll be putting in a new playlist. So make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.